Hello kids, let's learn numbers 1 to 10 and colors name. Green color, orange color, brown color, black color, red color, blue color, pink color, violet color, yellow color, light green color, sky blue color. Black color 0, blue color 1, circle, pink color 2, 2 circles, light green color 3, 3 circles, yellow color 4, 4 circles, sky blue color 5, 5 circles, violet color 5, 5 circles, red color 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 circles, orange color 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 circles, brown color 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 circle, green color 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 circles, sea green color 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 circles. Let's revise. 0 1 2 3 4 4 5 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. 6 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. 7 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. 8 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. 9 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 0 is equals to 10. If you like the video, please to like, share and subscribe to Knock Kids. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.